Hello people, yeah, it's your girl again here. It's a Lily. Okay, and for those of you who never subscribe, look at the subscribe button down there on the right hand side. Try and subscribe and get my up-to-date videos. Okay, love you people from here. Yes, how do you connect with your person? I mean, both your man and your woman, outside and inside. It's very easy, my people. That's now way they make things look as if say they hard. There are a lot of people who be say they will dey for house, they'll be living together as partners, whereas they be husband and wife. That's not how marriage supposed to be. Understand? But one thing where they connect with people on be say that communication, and two again, playful hearts. Like I mean playful hearts will be same. When I go to play like small pikin, where people go look now say, ah, now what these people say, like say they don't get problem for their marriage. Oh, who tell you? Who tell you say all marriages when they get challenges? No marriage we see today when no get one challenges or the other. Then get one challenge or the other, then get a lot of challenges. But waiting, most of them know how to cover them. They know how to sort their problem out. Not because they get the power, but most of the time, they use playful hearts. They do it and they cover up. That compatibility, they dear, understand? So that playful heart where they talk about, be say you and your person go day. You can test your person. No just day the whole of the day, no if you check on your woman and tomorrow and later in the night, you can't expect your woman to day sexy in bed. No, now. They send your wife a very sexy text message. Say, hello, darling. I am missing you. So waiting they happen for your hand there. I hope say you wear that one of those sexy leggings where I buy for you. Or you send a message say, how your day don't they go? Okay, if you reach house, I beg. I make you put on one of this, one of that, or that 90 where me I buy for you. Oh, you know, even if not say that one happen, even though say the man say all that, my sister, then you yourself you surprise him. Sometimes, so all those little things, they build that connection. You understand? Why you as the woman as well, you check on the man. You say, my baby, the way I'm feeling here, don't say I did for office or I did for market or I did for road or wherever you are, I did miss you. My toto they swell up for you. I just feel like say, make you enter me. I dey feel wet for you. Whenever I remember you like this, I dey feel wet, baby. I can't wait to grab that ammo. I can't wait to ride you. That kind of surprise messages. Oh, I miss you. Oh, baby. I just cannot wait to just have you, to cuddle you. I miss your warmth. Man can do that for woman. Woman can do that for man. Nobody man's job to feel hot all the time. Women too, you know, they feel hot. They feel like the way men they feel. So make we show our affection. Make we show them. Make we care for each other. Understand? Men too, they don't say, my baby, the way they feel, yeah, my prick is just hard, katakwe, yeah. I can't wait to ride that your hot pussy. Oh, that's your juicy pussy. I can't wait to insert it. I can't wait to just touch your boo-boo. I can't wait to squeeze you. Yes, that thing, they keep people going. When you send that kind of naughty message, you send to your person, my dear, your person go they think about it all the time. Say, this is my bobo. Even though say a man and or a woman get the intention of shitting on each other, by the time they hear that kind of something, doctor say, make I go home. My woman, they wait for me. No, even though say they don't even talk and self out. But the woman itself, they go just the day in the horror. I need to go and meet my husband. My husband to say, beg, make I finish early. Chukudi, come. Close the shop. The sugar go the one that say, oh, get waiting now. He say, no, I need to go. I just need to rest. I need to go home early. I just need, know what they carry or got they go home. Now because of waiting, a wife know how to do that thing. A wife know how to get him connected emotionally. Men too, they like emotional connection. I understand they like all the emotional connection to connect with them. You know, there's a way, even now say you go give am surprise visit for office or for shop. When your man stand by the side like that, just stand for outside, like maybe for outside, he stand for front of market there. You go behind him. That touching, you put your hand for the side of the man back. That touching there, he don't leave something in his head. He don't leave something for the man head. Or say your woman dey, you know, you go outside there, you know, you see your woman and they come back home. You can't carry your hand, put them by the side. Or say you dey come back home as a man, you go for shop, you buy little things for house. Well, even when the woman no open mouth talk himself, you buy those little things. Do you know say woman they connected by that? Say, hey, this is my husband, God bless you, God will prosper you. When you come back home, like you carry those milk, sugar, all those little things, tissue and all that. When even though the woman never talk, the way the woman will just grab here, you start to kiss him. Oh, this is my husband. Yes, all those things they create that connection. But when you say, you know, you want they too uptight, after all, I don't get children for them. After all, I don't get this a lot of bills and all down my head. Then you can't forget that connection. Before you know it, your marriage will become a cripple. They cripple. You now go they crawl. The only thing we're gonna hold now there go be all those children or that child. Not all people they live like partners, but. Come on, marriage is not that difficult, man. There's a way you go connect with your person. Oh, even those that drink Gary, the man and the woman will say, no, I will have to be with this person all my life. All my life, this person have to be here with me, for good or for bad, because of what? That connection. So be kind to one another. If not they go outside, una happen to dey for one corner where be say if not be shy kind of person, no be say people people know they much, no they overcrowded. You kiss your woman. No, surprise her. Go on her neck, give her a peck. Kiss am, give am peck for neck there. You know, you see your husband.